razzmatazz. That gear change is so aggressive. Oh, here we go again. Turns out I'm not a very good passenger. Mate, I don't feel well.
Why do you and Owen get out? My car's not feeling well.
Oh, I wonder.
You're not cold?
Yeah.
You got a t-shirt on as well. It's fucking freezing. Anyway,
I've just got a t-shirt.
You just got a t-shirt on. There's nothing.
There's no way
below.
we're starting like this. Start with a so. That's what we do.
So, welcome back to Motor Addicts. But
Who are you? I'm Stu.
I'm Stu.
And I'm Nick.
He's Nick.
And there's a Renault.
And there's a Renault.
Because
it's
Stu.
fixed.
Because it's Stu.
Yeah. But finally, we haven't done a video on it because of obviously what we've done is we got the car built. Because the engine blew up, as you would have seen in the previous videos, the head was smashed to pieces.
Hang on. Your CPO ain't doing nothing. Hang on. Magic. Oh, yeah, that's better. Nice.
Anyway, so the head blew up, basically finished, crank pulley, all that. Stories in the other videos.
You bought it as a risk, didn't you?
I bought it as a risk, yeah, but
because you got sentimental value.
It is sentimental because obviously the first video we ever done was with that in it. It was my first proper track car. I'd done track days before, but I never had a car that was designated for track, which is that.
Cool.
So it's back. The engine's done. It looks like Aladdin's, what would you say? Aladdin's lamp?
Cave.
Or cave.
Yeah.
It is a bit gold, and I'm going to have to take some of the gold off.
I love gold!
But there yeah, so we're going to have to
cut to B-roll now. Bosh! There you go.
What, the gold?
That was gold then, yeah.
So I have to put the gold in that?
Yeah, in that one, yeah.
Well, I have to do then.
All right.
Anyway, so it's back. Me and Nick are going to go for the first drive. Obviously, what happened with this car is, as soon as it was built on the Monday, it was finished. Finished being built. Next day, we're racing Jamie from Officially Gassed. Untested. So I didn't know if Nick was going to actually make it up, because Nick drove this car. Yes, I let him drive a fast car.
Yeah, I did it right as well, didn't I?
You did, but they're going to have to find out when Jamie's video comes out.
Or did I? There you go, cover both grounds.
Yeah, so obviously when Jamie's video then comes out, you'll be able to see how it performed. But yeah. Well,
do you remember when it blew up on track? Oh, that was drama, wasn't it? But you have to see that in Jamie's video. Do you remember when it caught fire? I'm just doing the scenarios, so we've got all the scenarios covered then.
Don't tempt fate.
Do you remember when a tyre exploded while I was on track? Oh, that was great. Check out his video. There you go.
Don't tempt fate. That's
got all the drama.
Right, anyway, it lived. It's here, and we're going to go for our first drive in it, aren't we?
Yeah, I have reservations because
you've driven it.
Yeah, exactly.
But the manifold was blowing to hell.
Why I've got reservations.
But the manifold's now fixed, so it's just loud.
Is it though?
It's not as loud as it was, but it's still loud.
I mean, I drove here and heard you coming whilst I was parked up waiting for you, so it don't sound much quieter, if I'm honest. All right.
Come on, I've driven it once. This is my second time.
Okay. Well, do you reckon this is better than when I drove it?
Yes.
We'll see.
It idles alright.
We'll see.
It idles alright.
We'll see.
Why is it like a cockroach?
It don't die, does it?
Well, it died.
What? A bit?
What, a bit?
Yeah.
The pistons hit all of the valves.
Yeah, that's true.
So it died.
But yeah, it's still here though, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's still living.
You could cut a head off a cockroach and it still runs around for
115,000 miles, you expect it. The problem is we've actually parked
on a hill?
On grass, on a hill with loads of bumps, and this isn't the highest of cars.
You're not giving me the best journey in it, are you?
Mate, you drove this for 3 hours, 6, maybe 8 hours you drove this. Oh yeah, you're still deaf from it.
Yeah, the blood out my ears was
The problem is getting off this grass. It's going to be bouncy as hell all the way through.
What's that bit?
What bit? They're all...
Yeah, but this is a bit of a bit there, it looks like. It's a bit bouncy, isn't it?
Well, it's race car, isn't it?
Go on, go for that.
No, what?
That bunker.
Let's take off here.
No, that's bad, man.
No,
that's bad idea.
I've just got it fixed.
I said that as a joke. Look at that.
Yeah, I know, that's like a hill. Mountain. So
Tony Hawk would bust it on that. So, mods since it last on the channel was changed.
Wheels,
Oh yeah,
I'm
they look
still
pretty
waiting
good.
to get rid of that horrendous exhaust at the back.
You put that on?
No, I didn't. I bought
okay.
it like that.
Okay.
I bought this car with blue lights underneath it, blue lights inside. It had 17s on it, like these chrome horrible things.
Full Fast and Furious.
So all I did is pull cables out and everything else. Hence why there's no stereo. I don't know what that is.
I'd like to cut to a shot of that.
Yeah, well
yeah, but I noticed you've done this right, which made my journey a bit shit.
Yeah,
and then you've put the multi-changer still in.
No, the multi-change is just there, isn't it?
Yeah, but you're not weight saving because there's a multi-changer on there. Weight pulleys that's the same as much as that
I'll
stereo.
take it out and throw it away. Will it make you happy?
Yes.
So the other modifications that have been done, it's got a pipe across air filter.
Go this way.
I've decatted it because that paid for the car.
Right. Slow roller.
Right.
Then give it the beans.
Right. So what, like that, and then just foot down.
Yeah. It actually pulls really well. That's really strong, isn't it? Oh yeah. I always think, fucking right, mate. Jesus. Right, now behave yourself now.
Why?
Because it's a bit dangerous. Yeah, it's a bit bumpy.
I like it.
Bloody hell, that flew, man.
It goes alright.
You always get a very different experience as a passenger in a car. Like that felt a lot faster than when I drove it. But then it could be because the manifold was having a flap, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, when it was leaking that bad, it
could have
like,
taken some...
we thought we were going to get booted off of that track.
Yeah, some horsepowers could have been lost.
Some horsepowers were disappeared. It didn't idle right. Didn't
no, I idled like 500.
But yeah, so other than that, the car itself...
This guy won't appreciate it.
No, I'm going to go quite past it through this little village.
You're going to sneak through?
I'm going to sneak through the village.
I don't think this... Yeah, exactly. Still quite a farty trumpet note, isn't it?
Yeah,
Man,
but it's not blowing now, so you don't... Because you would have driven up there with all the fumes coming in, wouldn't you?
That's why I was high as a motherfucker. Yeah, that would have been why.
The fumes were obviously bellowing in because of the manifold leaking. And then, yeah, so you would have been high as a kite and you would have been deaf by the time you would have got there.
I can guarantee I was deaf. It was very loud.
And then...
It's just such a bad ride, isn't it?
It's not a nice ride, is it? But race car.
Yeah, I know. And to be fair, the whole race car scene's very new to me. Since getting involved with Motor Addicts, I've never really done the whole race thing. I never really had friends who did the race thing. We did the whole, maybe blaz around some B roads, go to a car show, chill out, and enjoy your car. I'd never really done the track thing, so...
There you go.
Yeah, it's quite...
And did you enjoy it?
Do you know, I did, actually, and if I was in the market for something like this, this would be the one, wouldn't it?
What, you'd buy a little Clio?
If I was in the market for one, I probably... The trouble is, I definitely don't want to drive this every day, so...
No.
Oi, nearly! And razzmatazz! That gear change is so aggressive! Oh, I missed it! Missed the third. Ah! The brakes. How sharp are the brakes? Oh, my fuck! My lungs! Oh, God. Not just my lungs, my eyes came out. The brakes are sharp as a tack.
The brakes are great.
Oh, don't... Right, that's enough of that now. We're not doing that again.
No, I won't do it again.
Oh, you prick. I must look like Play-Doh going through the factory when you do... Ah! You are a fucking maniac in this thing.
This car, I can throw round everywhere.
Don't you just?
I love it. It's not the fastest thing in the world.
Suddenly feels sick.
It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it
drive it like it is, don't
great.
you?
Yeah,
Well,
but
hang on, I've got the tension has gone on. Can't breathe. There we go. Ah. So this is 172 horsepower ish. Yeah.
it is 170.
Ish.
Yeah.
Right.
Even when I owned it before, I never
cars
mapped
with like under 200 horsepower are great, and this is the argument for it because you can flat them everywhere. Like you were flat then, and we weren't over. Well, we went above the 60 mile an hour speed limit that was enforced.
Never.
But you can always flat them everywhere, which is great fun because you're just always on it.
Yeah.
Whereas if you did this in a 400 horsepower car,
and the thing is, you haven't got all the drama, the wheel spin, and everything else.
That actually happens. Where we going now?
Which we're just gonna go for another little drive round, mate.
No, I don't think my chest could put up with it. Oh, I'm nervous now.
I just think, like, thing is, it's like, look, it just handles perfectly. Just nice and nimble.
Not enjoying this now.
No, that driver there is probably thinking, what the hell is he doing?
Yeah, why is this guy with a baguette trying to get right up my ass?
Yeah, bloody baguette.
What's this?
Again, I don't know what that is.
Oh, we need to know.
It says XR on it, so whatever XR is.
Extra reliability. Well, it wouldn't be on this,
well,
would it?
There ain't. No. Sometimes when I do the window, it locks the car. Did you realise that when you drove?
Yeah, that was interesting. And the airbag light went on.
Yeah,
when I used the window, because the electrics are very French.
The airbag light is always on, so why
ain't on now. No, it's not. It's not. Put the window down 6 or 7 times, then the airbag light comes on. Well, not. I mean, it won't work now because it's French.
But it usually goes airbag light because it hasn't got a standard steering wheel.
No, it hasn't. It's got
but the airbag's not there. I'm asking.
At least I was hoping, yeah, we're turning right. That's good.
But to be fair,
I'm sweating now, Stu.
Why are you sweating?
Because I'm being thrown around the place. I enjoyed it for a bit. Is it? Oh, here we go again. Turns out I'm not a very good passenger.
Well, spinning third, bruv.
It does get going, I'll give you that.
Oh, it goes.
It sounds better at this speed as well. Jeez.
Them brakes gonna.
They're
You smell
warm,
them?
Yeah.
Yo.
Is that why is he walking there?
Why would you have a geezer walking the road down there?
Yeah, they stink now, mate.
What do you mean?
The brakes stink, or clutch, or something.
Ain't clutch, is it, bro? It's the noise, isn't it? It's like.
Wow.
So it works, doesn't it?
Oh look, Gen 5.
I don't care. It's shit.
Yeah, it's cabriolet.
That is not a nice car.
Mate, I don't feel well.
Why do you and Owen get out? My car's not feeling well.
Oh, I wonder.
Is it because you're scared of corners like he is?
I'm not scared of corners.
Do you need to go and see a corner therapist as much as him?
It's the fact this was lacerating my bountiful chest.
Bountiful chest?
Yeah.
Speak camera.
Ah, you fucking prick. That will be particularly good. If you're watching this in the edit, Stu, cut back and do a little slow-mo of that, because that will be something. Yeah, exactly. Ah, yeah. Fucking prick. You are 1,000% Belen.
You know what? I'm glad it's back.
Aren't you?
It's not.
I'm getting that.
I want a track day now. You've already had a track day in my own car, and I haven't had to go around the track yet in it.
Yeah. But it
So
didn't
you've
perform very well.
What didn't perform?
The car.
When? I winked. I was going to say, what do you mean it didn't perform well? Compared
you
to,
can't say that,
compared to
because
some
we're trying
bigger horsepower
We're
stuff.
trying to buzz it up for Jamie's video.
Oh yeah.
Jamie needs all the help.
That
Jamie
time when
needs
you went
help.
in the field and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah, exactly. When it blew up,
blew
Jamie
up.
needs a bit of help with his videos.
was
If
that
you
the
guys are
man?
watching this, could you subscribe to Jamie's channel, please? Because he's sort of scraping
Hang on,
by these
all
days.
these people that have come over here
Yeah.
are from Jamie's channel.
But I noticed the other day he's barely getting 400,000 views on most videos now. So if you
Yeah.
could go across to his channel, subscribe.
Yeah.
We'll put a link
What,
for
like-
Jamie in the
yeah,
YouTube
'cause
below.
he had a video the other day. He messaged us. He had a video the other
Yeah.
day, and he said, "Oh my god, in a week I got 1 million views." I said, "That's
I know.
really good, mate."
It's a shame he didn't take. You know, yeah, he can really. Do you know what?
Hopefully
I
he
think
can grow from there.
he's got big things. That guy. I think he'll do well.
He'll do well.
I think he'll do well. Yeah.
I got to figure. Ah!
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 There was nearly death then. I'm
But
just
look,
glad we're back.
Why?
Don't feel well now. And this keeps fucking coming on. Don't like that.
That locks the doors. This
Yeah,
is
but why does it?
right, so
why does it have to
everyone-
lock the? No, I'm going to say my
No,
bit.
no, no, no. I'm going to get my bit first.
No,
Right.
why does
So
it have
they
to
do.
drive?
No, shut
we
up.
can't talk at the
So
same
what
time.
they do, I don't care. Right. So what they do is you get. Where's that hissing coming from?
Everything.
It's water. It's right. It's gone. Right. So anyway, they do a cup trophy, obviously, and a full fat. This is a full fat,
Right.
which means everything's automatic. So the lights are automatic.
I did a little burp.
You get electric windows. You get the wing mirrors. The window wipers are automatic.
All added weight.
All adding weight, climate control, half leather Alcantara. That's a full fat. So it will lock itself and shit.
Why does it do that when you roll like 15 feet? It decides to lock all the doors. How many people get mugged in France? They've had to make that an automatic thing so that you
Do you
can't
know
get mugged.
how desirable these cars are now?
How desirable they are?
I don't know, but they're quite
17%?
desirable to me. Yeah, probably. But it's alright.
Should we wrap this up?
Yeah, wrap it up.
Can you turn it off? If you've enjoyed this video, I haven't, you can subscribe and like and comment, and as Owen would say, hit the bell. Well, that was very soft, wasn't it? But just to sum it up quickly, the car's back. We're going to do some track. Well, I'm not going to. Actually, I might be on track the same time as the Megane.
You know what?
That'd be interesting.
I don't mind you driving this.
Yeah, bit of respect.
Because obviously when he breaks it, he buys it or fixes it.
That's true. Yeah.
So you won't be taking it now, will you?
Nope.
The TTs for that.
Yeah, we'll be interested to see this and Megane on track maybe in the future video. But
yeah, I want to go.
What do you want to see done with the Clio? I mean, comment below if you want to see.
Please don't say K20.
Blow it up. K20.
Don't say K20 because the fact is,
massive turbo. You can do a turbo kit.
I've just spent a load of money on getting the thing fixed.
Just do a turbo kit on it.
That's what I want to do. I would like to turbo it.
That was a dumb valve, not be whipping someone.
I should have put rods in it while it was all apart.
Well.
But anyway,
there we go. That's the end of that. This is a quick little video of us driving around in the Clio. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, we'll see you next time. I'm getting out now.
Bye.
Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lit. Yeah, hands up in the air, they gun me down. I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers, I'm getting wild. Young nigga got a fetish for success. If I ain't next, and I just leave impression.